Wait! Your hair follicles are clogged. There are several reasons why our hair falls out or starts thinning. Look, I'm the first to tell you I'm there. We all know our hair falls out because of harsh chemicals, medications, poor hair care, illnesses, age, and genetics. Did you also know that normal hair loss is considered to be 100 hairs per day based on the average scalp containing 100,000 hair follicles? This might be a simple solution as to why you are losing or your hair is thinning. Your hair follicles may have become clogged from years of chemical buildup, heat styling, or believe it or not, from what's up in the air. Worst of all, some people just may face the fact that their hair is thinning for no apparent reason. If your hair has lost the volume, shine, radiance it once had, well, this Vinegar Nutritive Rinse Cleanser is for you. Did you know that apple cider vinegar contains and is loaded with vitamins and minerals, and it may help scalp pH levels? Vinegar is naturally antibacterial and antifungal. It's anti-fade, color safe free, chloride free, and sulfate free. The natural acids and enzymes that apple cider vinegar contains may also fend off bacteria, fungus, leaving your scalp refreshed like never before and your hair with more sheen and a voluminous appearance. So look, who doesn't want a head of full, healthy, shiny looking hair? I do, and I know you do too. For that beautiful, healthy looking hair, Vinegar Nutritive Rinse Cleanser is the one. Make sure you click on that link below. Also, absolutely make sure you hit that subscribe button to keep updated on the natural way of life.